All right, so this is another quick review for another vibration plate from Lifepro. This is actually my OG Waver vibration plate. This is the first one that I've ever used before. It comes with a remote. It has 99 different speed levels that you can use. It does auto set for 15 minutes. That's the equivalent of like a mile and a half jog or something like that. You put your feet out to the side, that's running. In the middle is jogging, feet all the way together, that's walking. So you have different options that you can use. It is stacked on top of the Rumblix down there because I was doing these videos together. So I just wanted to just quickly do it and tell you about it. You can go ahead and press start. Like I said, it's going to auto start on 15 minutes, but you can also change that speed to whatever you want to change it to. Again, a lot of people like to just stand on this because it's super effective when it comes to, hitting those goals and other health benefits. But you can also just enhance your workouts, do your squats on this, do different exercises, lunges, etc. And it's going to elevate those exercises to like a whole nother level. This one also comes with, and you can't probably see in the corner over there, but it does come with these different resistance bands for the legs, but it also comes with the arm resistance band that you actually attach to the machine. Like I said, Lifepro makes some of the best, if not the best, vibration plates that are on the market. So if you're looking for the best, you're looking for one that does what it's supposed to do, this is one that you definitely should check out.